Today I will show you how to use the volume footprint charts on TradingView. Accessing footprint charts on TradingView requires a premium subscription, but you can use my affiliate link in the description to try it out for free for 30 days with no commitments. To access footprint charts on TradingView, simply look at the top left of your chart for the chart type selection. You can see me waving my mouse over. Click on it, and then scroll down to the volume footprint. The footprint charts work best on highly liquid assets like the SPY ETF and S&P 500 futures contracts. They are primarily used by day traders on the 1, 5, or 30-minute charts. But you can technically use the footprint on any time frame. Footprint charts allow you to view how many orders are filled for each candle on the buy and sell side. On the left side of the candle, you will see all of the filled sell orders in red, and on the right side, you will see all of the filled buy orders in green. Keep in mind that these are filled orders, so this will not show pending limit or stop-loss orders. Toward the bottom, you will see the delta and the total volume. When the delta is positive and green, that means there were that many more buy orders within that candle, and vice versa for a negative and red delta number. Most popular trading platforms do not offer footprint charts, so the fact that TradingView does is a major advantage over most other platforms. The footprint chart also pairs well with the market profile chart type, or time price opportunity, as it is called on TradingView. You can use the multiple chart features to display both on a single layout so you don't miss any crucial order flow. To do this, click on the multiple chart icon at the top right and select your preferred layout. The footprint and TPO charts are pretty comprehensive indicators, so I will leave links to my full articles about both of them in the description below, so you can learn more. That will do it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Remember to use my affiliate link in the description to get a free trial so you can test these features out completely for free before paying.